Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to enable vibration in silent mode on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to turn on the vibration silent mode on your iPhone iOS 26 and you see that there is not any vibration on your iPhone and you want to turn it on, then how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your iPhone, and for this you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to go to software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS on your device. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply make sure that you have turned on that physical silent button to silent mode. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you can simply find this sound and haptics on your iPhone. For you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of sound and haptics. So here you have to simply click on haptics, and you have to select always play or play in silent mode. So here you can simply make sure that you have not click on never play, and after that what you have to do, you have to make sure about that you have also turned on the vibration in the accessibility settings. For this, you have to simply go to settings again, and you have to look for the accessibility in that. For this, you have to click on that accessibility option, and you have to scroll it down until you find the option of accessibility in, and you will find the option of touch here, and here you have to click on that. And here you have to make sure that you have that turn on this vibration option. And if you see that that toggle is turned off, then you have to make sure that you turn this on while you have turned on the physical silent button on your iPhone. So in this way you can simply check for that, and after checking you can simply turn on the silent mode button, and after that you can enjoy your vibration on your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.